In this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about floor polishing. No, not carpet cleaning today, floor polishing. We're talking about natural stone, terrazzo, marble, how you can add that to your carpet cleaning business and increase your profit line. Stick around, I think you'll find it interesting. So I want to talk about floor care in the sense of calcium-based flooring, such as marble, travertine, terrazzo, concrete. Anything that has a calcium base, how you can go about grinding and polishing, honing. Here's what's traditional. Traditionally, we use diamond discs to start with, like for example on the bottom of the CIMEX. Normally you'd use 9 of these on each, or 3 on each disc, 9 altogether. So for example, we'd start with 50, go to 120, go to 220, go to 400, and go to 800. You can even step it down going lower still. Now after you grind, each step is very slow, take your time. You can use this on a CIMEX or you can use it on a rotary machine. This is great for getting rid of lippage and really flattening a floor and getting rid of the deep scratches. And there's no way to do it without going to diamond discs first. So you're going to put the diamond pads on, attach them to the Velcro driver. Normally you're going to need a special driver that will hold this backing material. So you put these discs on and slowly grind with water and wet vac between each step, and then go to the next disc. And then finally what you're going to do after you grind the floor is you'll use a polishing powder. For example, Stone Pro has this product called Diamond Renew. It's a really good powder polish. It's easy to work with. That's what we like about the Stone Pro product, the Diamond Renew. Very, very easy to work with. We also have Italian CRAFTSMAN 5X. Now that 5X powder is hot. It'll actually cook the floor if you're not careful with it. So you don't want to go too aggressive with that. In other words, you got to rinse it, make sure that you get it off the floor. The Stone Pro Diamond Renew is more forgiving. Now this is for your final step after you grind with your discs first. So that's kind of the traditional way about doing stone restoration, whether it's concrete, terrazzo, travertine, marble. Grind and then finish with powder polishing as your final step. That's traditional. It's very labor intensive and it's very profitable. So you see the guys that are doing real stone care restoration, that's what they do. Finally, our BONASTRE pads. Now these come from Spain. It's a product that we just recently brought in and it's really shaping up to be an awesome product. It starts off with pad number 1 is the burgundy pad or red pad. Pad number 2 is our yellow pad, and pad number 3 is the green pad. As you see, again, these are in the 8-inch size for the CIMEX machine, but we also have them in 17-inch for normal floor machines as well. But if you notice the depth of the material, you can see how deep that is. It's quite deep. So as you look at the depth of that material, it really is quite a pad. And what people are finding is that they last longer because there's so much material, so much abrasive. The pads last longer, they also work faster. You're going to find that you're going to get very quick results, and the floors are just easy to work with. It's a complete system with just 3 pads. You start with the burgundy, move to the yellow, end with the green. It's so easy. And this covers a wide range. Now again, it's not going to go as deep as using discs to grind first to get rid of the deep scratches, stuff that's deeply embedded. If the floor is really beat, you want to go with discs first. But if you are interested in taking your typical customers' marble, terrazzo, concrete, that's already been serviced in the past, for example, but it was once in good shape but it needs some attention, the BONASTRE pads will blow your mind what they can produce. They do really, really great results with just a 3-pad system. Very simple, very practical. So we're always looking for a way to make things easier for you to be profitable in your business. Most of our customers here are commercial carpet cleaners, and this is something that slots right into the carpet cleaning venue because it's just a 3-pad system. It's something that you can add to what you're already working with. So it's just one more way that we're here to help you to max your end cap, but also to make some profit on the side with stone restoration. give it a shot. I think you'll really be impressed with the system, whether you want to go with traditional discs and polishing powder or one of the pad systems. We've got what you need here at Excellent Supply. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe below. That helps us with YouTube when you do that. Thanks for watching.